How to add NZDJPY on your MetaTrader 4 chart. Are you guys facing issues to add NZDJPY currency on your chart? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 on your iPhone device. Once you open the app, now click on the Cortex, which is located at the bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, now click on the plus icon, which you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, now click on search bar and search for NZDJPY. To add the NZDJPY on your chart, simply tap on the plus icon. Once you click on it, now go back to your Cortex homepage. You can see the NZDJPY currency pair. Click on it. Now tap on chart. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add NZDJPY currency pair on MetaTrader 4. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.